Make a great choice today with the 2002 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.